Good morning, dear students. As we are solving exercise of chapter 4, that is man made materials. So, students, in this chapter, we have basically discussed the long answer type question and we are discussing short answer type question. So, earlier to this, we have discussed question 1 of short answer type question, that is, what are the harms caused on wearing synthetic clothes? So, we have seen that these clothes catch fire easily, some people are allergic to them. Basically, person's skin may become red and suffer from eczema. So now let us discuss question number second, that is, what is difference between ordinary goggles and photochromatic goggles? So students, nowadays you can see both type of goggles. Basically the difference between them are, talking about ordinary goggles, so they are prepared by mixing few oxide to make it colored permanently. So these ordinary goggles are colored permanently, but talking about photochromatic goggles, what happens here is they are prepared of silver iodide. Okay, so as they are prepared by silver iodide, what happens there, these become dark in sunshine and become light colored in shade. So whenever you will be in dark, it will be very light colored, and whenever you will be in the very dark sunshine, it will be lighter. Okay, so students, this is talking about the photochromatic goggles. Here you can see, talking about ordinary goggles, what happens, as they are permanently colored. You have to remember this point, that ordinary goggles are permanently colored. Okay, so there is permanent color in them. So whenever you are in dark light, जब आप dark light में हैं, okay, then you are not able to see anything, and if you are in sunshine, these goggle give relief. जब आप sunshine में होते हैं तो ये goggle relief देते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप shades में हैं या dark में हैं, तब जो है ये आपको कोई भी relief नहीं देते हैं. Okay, you are not able to see normal things. And talking about this, the photochromatic one, so these become dark in sunshine. ये जब sunshine होती है, जब सूरज की तेज़ रोशनी होती है या रोशनी में ये dark हो जाते हैं, and they become light colored in shades. और जब छाया होती है या कोई भी darkness है तो ये light color के हो जाता है. So it is very easier to see the objects. Okay. Now talking about question third, write the names of main fertilizers. What do you understand by mixed fertilizer? So students, you have to give the name of fertilizers. So here basically the names of fertilizers are urea, superphosphate, nitrate, etc. Okay. Now moving to next question, question 4. Question 4 is, prepare a list of some natural and man-made things. So students, you have to prepare a list of natural things and along with that man-made things. So you can write down it by your own self also, but I am giving it to you. For natural thing, it is moon, earth, minerals, air, animals. Okay, and for man-made things, it is telephone, cars, buildings, refrigerants, computers. So as we are talking about telephone, computer, etc., they are man-made. Okay. Now talking about the fifth question, what is soft glass? What write its use? So students, talking about soft glass, so you have to understood that it is very simple variety of glass. ये बहुत ही simple variety होती है glass की. Glasses are further classified as soft glass, hard glass, okay, depending upon their composition. So here soft glass is very simple variety of glass, and it is prepared by mixing sodium carbonate, limestone and silica. So whenever you are going to mix sodium carbonate, limestone and silica, then soft glass will be formed. Okay, talking about its uses, so basically it is used in making window panes, it is used in making test tubes, and it is used in making bottles. So student, you have seen test tube in laboratories, or whether you have not seen it, you can see in your textbook also, diagrams also. So the test tubes looking like these are made by the glasses, soft glasses. The glass jars, they are also made by soft glasses, and window panes are also made by soft glasses. So student, this is all about today's lecture. We have discussed about short answer type question, and we will be discussing few more questions of this category, and also very short answer type question in our next few lectures. Okay, so students, please write down all the question answer or all the exercise in your notebook. Thank you class.